What's up guys, Rich here, bringing you up-to-date information about buying real estate here in Mexico, in particular guys, Lake Chapala. And today guys, I'm going to be taking you on a little journey to see a new listing that's just come in the office. Big thanks to Derek for allowing me to video his listing. This listing is on the south shore of Lake Chapala. So it's going to take us probably about 45 to an hour to get there today from Ajijic itself. I'm in Ajijic at the moment. It is a lakefront property, guys. 900 square meters of land, 500 square meters of construction, built in the 1980s. I mean, this house has got a lot going for it. It's amazing what you get for your money that side of the lake. So come with me, guys. You're coming with me today. We're going to go and check it out. So it wouldn't be fair to come to San Luis Soyatlan without trying the famous vampiros. Wow, that is increíble. Is that increíble? So now guys, I've got my vamparito. We're gonna go and check out this house in San Luis Soyatlan. Cheers guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. I upload videos every single week about living here in Mexico, about buying real estate and enjoying vamparitos. Buenísimo.